congratulations that you made to this session. And today's session, we will predominantly talk about imagination. The word is very simple, but the results which you will find are very different, I can assure you. In fact, what we are going to do right now, I will take you through some visual exercise. And it will be very difficult for typical analytical type of folks who are having an analytical dominant brain. They will find it very difficult to do. And I will try my level best to make you do. So I'll help you out. So I've framed out 3 to 4 questions. So let me first summarize what we discussed last session. It's a series which we are going through right now. So last week, if you remember, I was talking about servo mechanism. The way servo mechanism works is that it needs a target, it needs a goal. And once it has a goal, it starts chasing it. In case of missile or rocket, what happens is it takes its signal from nearby through radiations. Now, what about human being? Human being has the same servo mechanism. It needs a goal to chase. Until the goal is fed in a human mind, the mind do not know what to do. It do not know what to chase also. And once it do not have a clarity, what happens is just a confusion. And that is where majority of us struggle to grow to our full potential. It's not that we are not capable. The problem is we do not know how to operate our complex brain. So let me go step by step. Step number 1. At present, what is it that you want to accomplish? Let's write down. I mean, in your paper, you can write down. Are you looking for, let's say you want to double your income. You want, let's say, a happy marriage. When I say happy marriage, what is happy marriage? You have to define anyways. So happy marriage where you can sit and talk to your spouse, where there will be no sort of unnecessary arguments will not be there, where it will be fun to stay together. Now question is, how do you accomplish that goal is the second step, because that is the most important thing. So servo mechanism, let us understand. So what does servo mechanism need? It needs a clear-cut goal. Now, let us write down these goals in a systematic way. When you write down this goal, see, understand your brain has to get a specific data. Now imagine you send to a satellite, so it has to go specifically to this particular coordinate, isn't it? The missile will be going to that particular coordinate. Similarly, your brain will need exact input. The problem most of us are facing is that we do not give them exact input that what exactly it wants. So what happens out of it is your brain totally get confused at what it needs. And the outcome of that you face is that it has no target. So now, listen carefully before you answer this question. What exactly you need, you have to write down. Let's say if you ask me what I want right now for next 2-3 years, so goal is I want to impact 1 million people's life positively. Now that is an end goal. Can I visualize right now 1 million people? 1 million is nothing but 10 lakhs. Now at present, where are we standing? There are 250 to 260 people coming to the live session, which approximately husband wife combinedly we might be sitting. So it is 350 people approximately sitting right now, correct? So what goal can I have in my mind which my mind can visualize? How about if I feed my brain a very simple data to my live session, I want 1,000 people. If this I feed to my brain, can my brain visualize? Absolutely, because this is something which my brain can easily visualize. 350 are here right now. From 350, I want to reach out to 1,000 people so that their life can be better. So what should I feed to my brain? I want 1,000 people to my live session. Then, what sort of positivity do I want to improve? Let's say I want to now focus. There can be 30 areas to focus right now. I can focus in the area of communication skill. I can focus in the area of leadership skill based on my expertise and also. I have now 4 to 5 expertise of mine. I have decided, okay, this year, I want to help people in this particular 5 strategies. I'm just giving my direction. You don't have to take my goals because you have to take your goals. Okay, I'm just giving you what I do. Okay, then on top of it, I also have an income goal. Now let's say presently I make 40 to 50 lakhs rupees income. Now I want to increase this income to 1.5 crore. Again, this goal has to be believed by me. If my brain do not believe in that goal, no matter what I write, anyway it will be a horror story for my life. I hope it's clear to all of you, right? So write down this goal exactly what you want in 3 lines, because servo mechanism has to get this data. Until you give this data clearly to the servo mechanism is totally confused. It do not know what to do. And once the servo mechanism do not know what to do, it is totally messed up. So please write these answers very clearly what you want. Rich, healthy and happy. Now this is totally an answer which your brain will be totally confused. Your brain has no clue what is rich, what is happy and what is healthy. Alright. What you have to be specific. Rich, define. Okay. Exactly define what is rich for you. Is it 20 lakh rupee income? Is it 30 lakh rupee income? Is it a bank balance of 50 lakhs? What is rich? You have to define. Otherwise, what will happen? Rich, healthy. Now, what is healthy? Healthy is also a relative term. I may be overweight and I say I'm healthy. what will happen? I will not focus on food. Get your point? If you are not clear, then you have to be very clear. I want my weight to be 75, 80. That should be my ideal weight. Now my present weight is 90, so I am 10 kg overweight. If I want to be healthy, what should be my clear goal? My weight should be 80. That is my first goal should be 80 kg is my weight. And income goal, let's say I want 1 crore income. So I have to very clearly satisfy my yearly income should be 1 crore. Now what happens? My brain now knows, okay, it is not rich. It is goal is defined. I want this much.